The Karambit is a handy small tool designed for precise work and safety. Karambits have several advantages that a normal knife such as a bowl knife and a bayonet does not possess. The most important features is that the safety ring for your index finger, it helps you to hold and manipulate the blade in a much easier fashion. The blade itself in a Karambit is as small as is the handle, and this adds to its lightweight, creating easy carrying and concealment. These knives are versatile as they can be held in multiple ways, which allows more agility and multiple ways to land blows on your opponent. The safety ring most Karambits have integrated into a handle provides multiple advantages. For instance, the location of the ring at the end of this handle delivers a more fluid grip for users. So we present you the 5 of our best pick and reviews for the thrones of the best Karambit knives, which should help you to make the right choice. Hello there, we are the Top of Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision. Grandway fixed blade Karambit knife has been designed with ease of use and comfort in mind. Its handle is made of micarta and has a smooth warm feel to it. Its anti-slip properties helps you to get good grip in the waist and moist conditions. You can grip the knife with either a forward or the reverse grip with easy to thanks to intelligently place the finger ring. Also, you get a plenty of thrustings and cutting power in the different grips left-hand grips too. This knife blade thickness is 0.189 inch and weight 3 oz. This knife is perfect for self-defense, technical, and hunting uses. This knife overall length is 6.7 inch. It is very functional length and it provides you the versatile you need for basic outdoors and hunting uses. The 440C steel is durable and holds its age well. The steel ensures the long-term operation without sparing good and resistance to dust and high durability. This is moderately priced fixed blade Karambit, one with a nice blade and good-looking handle and overall functionality. All in all, it is one of the best Karambit knife option for self-defense and light hunting use. If you're looking for the durability and the strength of the full tank-based Karambit knife, then the SOG Survival Karambit knife is a superb option for you. It has been exceptionally crafted from the one pieces of steel. You're getting the knife is very easy to hold and easy to use. The Karambit has a fantastic handle and a substantial finger ring onto that seems like it would be the solid and non-flit during the situation. If you want a Karambit that doesn't have as much as the crab to it, then it is one of the best options on the list. The 2.58 inch strapwood blade is plenty long to take care of your business. Moreover, this Karambit knife has the overall length is 7.30 inches, which means it has a large handle that can to be much more comfortable for adults with the hands of long fingers. So you will fastly fall in love with how to handle feelings. The finger grip can be used with the index and the pinky fingers depending on how you want to hold your knife. It comes with a great quality sheet that helps protect the blade and extend its lifetime. So this might be the better choice for the beginner or the new enthusiast who hasn't handled a crab knife like this in the past. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line Karambit knives, you have some room in your budget to spare, the CRKT Provoke Karambit knife is a fantastic choice for you. Featuring a D2 steel blade in the delivers wonderful edge rotation and the durable yet lightweight aluminum handle, this Karambit knife is easy to tote. The Provoke makes use of a novel 4-bar linkage that extends quite of the folds of the blade. The Provoke Karambits additional sports activities with the deep carry pocket clip. This clip is an uncommon function on a Karambit blades because of the plates of your finger gap, so you may carry this knife even deeper down in your pocket. The knife features permits the knife utterly disappear into the body of the knife while you're not using it. That makes for the extra sugs deal 82.41. It would give you the knife quite a bit of more functionality and practical applications. Its overall length is 7.25, 184.15 mm and weight 60.0 Z. Despite having a smaller handle, you will be surprised how handle this CRKT knife fits into your pocket. It is comfortable and easy to hold. Overall, this is one of the best Karambit knives option if you wish something compact and capable. The CRKT Coke fixed blade knife with a sheared is very well made, exceptionally durable and highly reliable. It has all the features you would want in a premium Karambit knife such as dual sharp or edge and a well-designed handle. The Z10 handle is one of the best in the price range that makes the knife almost effortless to use. It fits well into various hand size and drives you fine control over the blade. Featuring the SK5 carbon steel, carbon coconut blade, the Refix blade and Karambit knives can easily withstand excessive wear and tear. It comes with a durable glass reinforced nylon shields compact with a measuring option that fits perfectly over the blade, protecting both you and the blade itself. It has the full tank design nearly 9.62 form points tall. It easily stands out as one of the best blade on a Karambit knife. It is mold compatible and does an awesome job for keeping the blade protection and in place, so you will get a long-lasting durability and impeccable performance worthy of the price. Even this is a top-rated base Karambit knife that has earned its place near the top. If you are training in the materials arts and you are not ready to invest in the more expensive Karambit knives, the EP19PP by BladesUSA will work well for you. Made from polypropylene, it allows users the ideal close combat training with a Karambit without causing harm to yourself or training to the partners. The curved blade provides a round tip to avoid any accidental penetration when the handle itself complete with the thumb grains and replicates a genuine Karambit knife perfectly. The BladesUSA U419PP knife's overall length is 7 and weight 0.11 pounds. The sturdy polypropylene is strong enough for serious training. During training, mistake can happen. With the sharp point trip, you can simply injure yourself. The round trip of this Karambit knife allows you to learn and master all the tricks in your book without any concern of any accidental injuries. Overall, the BladesUSA U419PP polypropylene Karambit training knife is an outstanding tool for those wanting for the fine tunes for the materials art training. It will also work well for anybody.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.